In this video, I will show you how to add a business email account to your Gmail. So let's jump straight into it. So what you want to do is come across to your Gmail first of all, and if you look in the top right hand corner, you want to click onto this little gear icon to come into your settings. And at the very top, you want to click onto see all settings. Now it's going to take you across to your settings page. If you look at the very top, you've got some different options, and what you want to do is click onto accounts and import. Next, what you want to do is come to the section that says check mail from other accounts and click onto add a mail account. So what you can now do is go ahead and enter the email address that you want to add. So I'm just going to add that into here. And then go ahead and click next. So this is going to give you two options. You can either link your account with Gmailify, or what you can do is import emails from your other account. So the best way to do this is to leave it clicked onto link accounts with Gmailify. What this does, it allows you to keep both email addresses, but what you can do is manage your emails. So in other words, you can add your business email address to Gmail and use your Gmail to manage your business email address. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and leave that selected and then click next. And then it's going to come up with a permission. So it's going to ask if you want to let this app access your info. What you're going to want to do is click onto accept. And after a minute or two, that's going to go ahead and add that to your Gmail account. So you can see it says you can now manage your and whatever your email is, emails from Gmail. Better spam protection and email categories will help keep your inbox clean. Now, if you want to unlink this, you can do that at any time by again coming back to your settings in Gmail. But you'll see now that we have got this added. So what you can do, you can make this your default address by coming across here, clicking make default, and that's how you go ahead and add your business email address to Gmail. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.